I have an excellent recipe called sour spinach smoothie to be presented today. You will certainly enjoy this. Watch it till the end. So friends, today we will be making sour spinach smoothie. Sour spinach is a particular leaf which is available in India, particularly South India. It is called as gongora in Telugu. Some of you may recognize this. This is very sour in taste. So what we will be requiring today for the smoothie is obviously gongora sour smooth. What I am making today is for 2 people. So this I would say is equal to roughly 1.5 bunches if you buy from the market. So smoothies are well made with bananas included. Either you could use fresh bananas or you can use frozen bananas. If you have something that you are not able to consume, you can freeze it and use it later for smoothies such as this. Don't worry about the texture now because it is frozen and removed out. The condensation is seen this way, but the bananas were fresh and good when I put it in the refrigerator, and they will be as safe to use it now. Smoothies need to have good amount of fat to make it as a full meal. So I am taking half a cup of cashews. This is a half cup measure. Smoothies will need to have a sour flavor which is usually achieved through lemon or lime. In this case, since we are already using the sour spinach, I am trying to do with only 1 lemon for 2 people. Otherwise, it will be 2 lemons for 2 people. I am going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons or tablespoons of honey because we will be having cashews and water which will reduce the sweetness. Therefore, we will be adding a little bit of honey despite having some ripe bananas. We'll use a pinch of salt. This is only used as a taste enhancer. So 1 pinch should be good enough. I am also going to use 2 tablespoons of pure edible coconut oil. And today I am going to use cold water from earthen pot rather than my usual water cooler. This will be a healthier option whenever there is a possibility. You can add more ice if you want it to be more chilled. Smoothies are better made in a high-speed blender. So we will dump all the ingredients in the high-speed blender. We'll start with a low speed and move up to a high speed. Using a high-speed blender will ensure that even the thinnest and the weakest leaves are cut into a smooth paste, and therefore the smoothie will have a fantastic texture that you see here. That's why it is called as a smoothie. Nevertheless, when you want to try the taste and get all the benefits, you can still use your home blender, whatever you may have at home. I have run the blender for about 1 minute. If you are using a blender at home, probably it will take a little more. Be patient and you will get a good smoothie. This smoothie is excellent for health and therefore should be had as a breakfast on a regular basis, preferably first thing in the morning as soon as your coffee or fruit juice or a vegetable juice, whatever be your choice be usually. So, what is good about this smoothie? Why we make this smoothie? One thing that is very important about a meal in the morning is they should be very nutritious. Greens are among the most nutritious vegetables. So having greens in our smoothie will be very helpful for a good health. We are having very healthy fats in this through cashews and coconut oil, and lots of proteins also through the nuts that we are using in cashews. These will help us take through the day very well without being hungry shortly after taking this. And also they have several minerals due to the green leaves and the honey we will be using, and also lemons will provide good amount of vitamin C. Look at the amount of water we have used. There's a lot of hydration also. This is a completely filling and delicious smoothie, a delicious breakfast that you can have first thing in the morning. Start the day well and you will end the day well. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. I make several good recipes such as this. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And please click on the notification bell so you will get to know of all these beautiful recipes that I make that are delicious and healthy. Thank you.